makigerera kahinda karitu na makeria na kana makeria kumanagia na kahinda kao ka mweri undu uria makoragwo makiuga ati ringi ni maremagwo ni gwithema gukiri uguo undu ni cungiriirie magie na kamweke akwamukira githomo ngurani na kiria gikumateithiriria gutigirira ati undu no wa mahura njeki na gutigirira no wa mahumba giconoko kumanagia na kahinda gaka kao ka o mweri.
Wa kahinda ka matuko ma thaici thiini wa gitaru kia Afrika, kahinda ka mweri kuria airitu kaingi yonekanaga ijuru na ya giconoko haria airitu kuria gutumaga airitu na atumia aria mari miaka-ini yao ya gukura kuhitha uhoro wa kahinda kao.
Hygiene and what is touching us more is the removal or the distribution of sanitary towels which is moving from the schools and going to the ministries of gender. It is a good thing, but also it has its drawback. We are wondering that how will that be monitored? How will that be impactful in case when it comes to distribution? Because teachers are the ones who are very aware of the sanitary towels and the vulnerable children who need them most.
Kuringana na Fidelis Wabui uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa Young Human Initiative augite ati ikinya ria guthomithia arutani arume ni gutwarithia na mbere ugima mwega wa mwiri na kunina giconoko gia kahinda ka mweri kuria airitu.
Today we are here on a training with teachers in terms of child protection in regards to gender-based violence. The reasons why we are having teachers, we have realized that those are number one stakeholders that we need to work with.
Riu arimu arume a thukuru cia thirikari gicigo-ini kia Naikuru ni marathoma uhoro wa ugima mwega wa mwiri na maundu megie kahinda ka mweri ka airitu. Uhoro uyu wanjiriirio ni Nairobi Women Hospital na Young Woman Initiative iria irenda gutarume kuhoro kahinda ka mweri Kuri-ini.
Initiatives in schools like Gender Violence Recovery Center of Nairobi Women at Yawi, sensitizing Nakuru, where on gender-based violence against children in school.
Augite arume ni mabati guteithagiriria airitu riria mari na kahinda kao ka mweri matekuigwa thoni. Kuringana na utari wa thirikari no gicunje kia 46 hari igana gia atumia na airitu aria maikaraga gicagi na gicunje kia 65 aria maikaraga matauni-ini makoragwo no hoti wa kuhuthira tauro cia utheru.
Supplement is it's supposed to add iron in their body. As we know, as a girl is going through menstruation, we tend to lose a lot of blood, and because of even the lifestyle that we have indulged ourselves in, the foods that we're eating, they might not be getting enough iron. So the government has seen it's important to supplement, to give them supplements so that they can have this iron in their body.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Yuni wa Wabui.
Thank you muno mundu riboti haha.